Let's try another example. Let's try to multiply 142 by 14. Now you can just imagine again how long it's going to take us if we are going to use the area method, because we would have to draw so many squares. We'd have to create a rectangle which has a length of 142 and a height of 14, and it's going to take us all day probably if we're going to count all the squares in that rectangle, right? But since we know that the result of the area method can simply be replicated easily using the grid method, we can just do the simpler way. So to solve this problem using the grid method, we are going to create a rectangle that has a length of 142 and a height of 14. Next, what we do is we decompose the numbers that we are multiplying. So if we decompose 142, or we write the expanded form, 142 is 100 plus 40 plus 2. And 14 is equal to 10 plus 4. So let's go ahead and change these numbers and write their expanded forms. 100 plus 40 plus 2. And then 14 becomes 10 plus 4. After that, we separate this rectangle into different regions depending on the place of the numbers, like hundreds, tens, and ones. So let's go ahead and draw the different regions. So this region has a length of 100, this one has a length of 40, and this one has a length of 2. And let's draw up the other region. So this region has a height of 10, and this region has a height of 4. After doing that, we get the area of each smaller rectangle or each region that we have created by multiplying the length of its sides. So to get the area or the number of squares in this region, we just multiply 100 by 10, which is equal to 1000. The area in this region is 40 times 10, which is equal to 400. The area of this region is 2 times 10, that's 2 times 10, which is 20. The area of this region is 100 times 4, which is equal to 400. The area in this region is equal to 40 times 4, which is equal to 160. And the area in this region is 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. So to get the total area of all these rectangles, or for this whole big rectangle, what we do is we just add all the areas or all the number of squares in each region. So we write the area over this side as 1000, this one, plus 400, this one, plus 20, this one, plus 400, plus 160, plus 8. Then let's put a line, and we are going to perform addition using the standard algorithm. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 6 is another 8. 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. And 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. So the answer to the question 142 times 14 using the grid method is 1988. See, we didn't need to draw up all those squares and then count all those squares one by one when using the area method, because we have a way of doing it using an easier method, which is the grid method. Did this video help you? Subscribe to us or follow us so you will be the first to know whenever we upload math help tutorial videos just for you. Here are some videos and playlists you might want to watch. Keep on learning.